Hello bakers and welcome back to another recipe on my channel. Today is Pancake Day, which means you have the perfect excuse to stuff your face full of all that light and fluffy goodness. Last year I made 3 recipes for you on traditional English pancakes, American pancakes and French crepes. So if you missed any of those and you want to check them out, I'll leave the links down below. This year, Pancake Day falls just before Valentine's Day, so I'm naming the twilight zone that's going to happen at midnight as Pancantine's Day. That's trademarked right now. To celebrate the occasion, I've come up with a new recipe for you that you can recreate at home. I'm whipping up this red velvet twist on the traditional pancake, stacking them up with cream cheese frosting to make the perfect Valentine's crepe cake. To begin, you need to make your batter by sifting together flour, cocoa and a pinch of salt into a bowl. In a separate jug, whisk together milk, eggs, melted butter, vanilla and some red food colouring, blending until smooth. Next, make a well in the middle of your dry ingredients and slowly pour in your liquids, whisking until well combined. Transfer into a jug and then chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. Heat a frying pan over a medium heat and then grease with some melted butter before pouring your batter in. You need to keep swirling it around to create a nice, even, thin layer. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side before flipping over. Repeat until the rest of your batter has been used up. While your pancakes are cooling, you can make your cream cheese frosting by beating some butter and icing sugar together in a bowl. Add in your cream cheese, beat through, and then stir in the remaining icing sugar. On a board, stack your pancakes one at a time with a thin layer of cream cheese frosting in between. Once complete, pop in the fridge to set for an hour. To give it some extra flair, I'm cutting out some heart shapes and then popping them onto a heart-shaped plate. Next you can decorate it however you like. I've gone for some extra frosting on top, some strawberries and some golden stars. And you're done! This red velvet and cream cheese crepe cake is ready for your romantic night in. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this extra special recipe for Pancantine Day. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought, and if you liked it and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time.